It's raining here today, and it started raining this morning, just enough to keep me indoors. And it's been raining steadily. So it stopped raining a little bit, and I figured, okay, I'm gonna go out and finish that side over there. So with these progressive glasses, I don't know, whoever wears them, like, they're brutal. So I haven't really gotten used to them. And when I stand beside the stones, it looks okay. But when I took my glasses off, because I was kind of thinking, I don't know, that doesn't look right. They're all leaning in. And with my glasses off right now, they're all kind of tilting in a little bit. I just figured I would lay out the stones and then level them later. So just put them more or less as I have. We also need the screening to put underneath. So I'm gonna order that, and it looks like this is one whole level from the skid over there. And we're going to need probably another level to bring it up to here. So I'm going to wrap it around and then maybe up until here, so that that little drop there I build into the garden. So I figure another layer to bring it up to here. I'd like to bring it up to there for now, because then I can finish that off and I can still get the garden in. But if I can wrap it around to there, maybe up to there where it starts to go up again, that level there is more or less level. If I can get it up to there, then I can just finish off after. But in order to do that, I'm going to need more stone. So there's going to be another top layer just to bring it up to this end, and then 2 layers for the second row, and then another layer for the third row. And I may need 4 rows. So maybe 3 will, I have to see, because over here it's kind of lower. Or so it seems with these glasses. I really have to be mindful of that. So it lightened up, and then it stopped raining. I got my stuff and I came out, and it's coming down again. And I was just sick for a week and a half, so I don't know that I want to get sick again. I'm going to try doing a little bit if it doesn't rain more than what it's raining now. But if it does, I'm packing it up and I'm going to head down. Like last week when I came up, it was just raining steadily to the point where I wouldn't be able to work, because it was pretty steady all weekend. And then yesterday was gorgeous. I was able to get that done, so I'm very happy about that. But I'm liking the way that this is looking. It really defines the space. Yeah, and then we'll just figure out how to put the chairs after. Yeah, see, even with these glasses, the way I'm looking at the chairs, they look like Papa Bear's chair. Looks massive. So I'm going to try doing a little bit, see what happens. Hopefully it'll hold up.